things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, the way that things have been. Oh, second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, the master of my sea. Oh, I was broken from a young age, talking my sock into the mass and writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You made me a believer, believer. You break me down, you build me up, believer, believer. Let the bullets fly or let them rain. My life, my love, my drive, it came from. You made me a believer, believer. Third things third, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Your spirit up above. I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown. But I never did, ever live, ebbing and flowing, and never did limit until it broke over and rained down. It rained down like. You made me a believer, believer. You break me down, you build me up, believer, believer. Let the bullets fly or let them rain. My life, my love, my drive, it came from. You made me a believer, believer. You made me a believer, believer.